Is your AirPods noise cancellation not working? It's a common problem and it often happens due to old firmware, iOS bugs, or connection issues. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the noise cancellation problem step by step. So let's get started. Solution 1. Update firmware. AirPods with backdated firmware can cause this problem. AirPods firmware updates automatically when charging your connected iPhone. To check firmware, connect your AirPods, then go to your iPhone settings, tap Bluetooth, now tap the I next to your AirPods. Make sure to remember the model name of your AirPods here. After that, tap version. See if the firmware version is backdated or not. To check, tap on this support.apple.com link over here. This will show you all the details of the latest AirPods firmware versions. Make sure that your AirPod model and its firmware version matches the one shown here. If it's outdated, leave your AirPods in the case and connect them to your iPhone. Plug the case into a charger, place it near your iPhone and connect to Wi-Fi. It should update on its own overnight. See if the update fixes your problem. Solution 2. Enable noise cancellation. Go to your iPhone settings, tap Bluetooth, tap the I icon next to your AirPods. You'll see the noise control options. Tap noise cancellation to turn it on. After this, you should notice a big difference in background noise. If not, then try the next solution. Solution 3. Reset the AirPods. Put both AirPods in the charging case. Open the lid of the charging case. On other AirPod models, you'll need to press and hold on to the button in the back of your AirPods charging case. Hold the button for 15 seconds. After that time has passed, the light of your AirPod will flash red, then white. That means reset is complete. For the model I'm holding, it has a touch response. So if you have this model, first open the lid of the charging case. Then you'll have to keep tapping below the light indicator in front of the charging case. Tap 2 times, 2 times, 2 times, and 2 times. At this point, the light should be blinking red. If it doesn't work, then close the lid and open it again. Then repeat the tapping process. This time it will work. Now it will blink in red a few times and then it will turn white. This means the AirPods have been reset. After the buds have been reset, go to your iPhone and open the Settings app, tap Bluetooth on My Devices, then tap the I icon next to it and forget the device. Once it's forgotten, try to connect the AirPods and see if it works. Hopefully this time your problem should be fixed. And that's how you can fix it if noise cancellation isn't working in your AirPods. Let me know in the comments if these steps worked for you or if you need more help. I'll do my best to assist.